Hello everyone, I greet you all. Wanna join me as I cook my afternoon rice, accident rice. So this one na groundnut oil na fish I take cook am. Come fry my fish. I fry my fish. And the fish I dey put so I come fry am. No be every time meat. Sometimes you just still cook something different. The fish I don fry am finish, I come put onions for the inside the groundnut oil, come turn my tomatoes, pepper and onions wey I blend, come turn am inside, come turn all of them together as you can see now. Come turn am together my people. So tomatoes don turn to my taste. So I come put seasoning inside. And see now I put seasoning, put salt, come put salt now, turn am together. Come turn am, come turn water, come put water join am. Come put water, na the water be dis. Come put water, leave am make e boil few minutes. So I come put crayfish inside. Turn my rice, come leave am. Come use turner dey turn am upside down make e for everything enter inside the rice well. So na im my people. So I come leave am. So na the second time wey I open the pot, I come turn am again make e turn well. The rice is sweet oo. There are many say I just cook am gbagba anyhow. E sweet walai, e sweet. So for here now e don almost done. My rice don almost done. Yes, you can see now. E don almost done. Una go see me for next video when I dey eat my rice. So na you my people, e don almost done. Please like the video, share and comment. Follow my page. God bless you. So na my rice. Bye. See you all. Bye.